In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a welcome message here in Discord using Carlbot. If you do find this video guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Discord tips like this. First, go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice. I'm going to use Google Chrome for this and search up carl.gg just like so, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Go ahead and hit login with Discord just like so. It's going to take a second and then it is going to ask you to authorize. Click authorize and you're good to go. And then from here, it's going to ask you to go ahead and pick a server. So in this case, I'm going to choose this one right here and I'm going to have to hit continue next. Hit authorize on this section right here and then hit get started, and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Now that you've done that, go ahead and go back to your Discord server and go ahead and create a welcome channel. Click on your server name up at the very top, hit create channel, and then call it welcome, and then hit create just like so. Now go ahead and click on the gear icon next to the welcome channel, and then go to your permissions tab in this left hand section and find add everyone here. Go ahead and enable view channel. Then in this text channel permissions, go ahead and disable send messages. In this same category, scroll down a little bit until you see read message history and go ahead and tick that on and then save your changes down at the bottom. After that, scroll back up to the top and find this roles/members section and click on this little plus button here and find Carlbot in here and select it. What you're going to want to do here is now go ahead and enable send messages for Carlbot just like so, and then hit save changes. Now you can close out of this section here. Now go back to carl.gg and scroll in this left sidebar here and hit next to go to this welcome message section here. You can select a preset one or you can create a custom one. I'm going to select a preset here and select a channel and choose welcome right here and then select next. Once you go through the rest of these steps and save it, the Carlbot will automatically post your custom welcome message in the channel whenever someone does join. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more videos like this. Check out our other videos coming up on the channel real soon for even more Discord tips. And we'll see you there. Peace.